Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I wear, how I style my Coach pillow tabby bag. So I have, if you're interested in getting in one of those straps that I have been using in this video, I have the link down below right at my description. So you could just click that and you could order it. Absolutely, you could order it right away. So anyway, and also don't forget to watch the little tiny clip that I put at the end of the video on how I wear using this with all the straps that I have shown. Okay, so let's start. So let me start with this braided strap. It's actually beautiful. This is a combination of the metal hardware and as well as this gloved and leather. It is very soft, very nice. So this is how it would look up close. And I wish this one, well, I could take this one off. This is just their tags. So this is how it would look if you want to dress this one with this beautiful strap right there. And let me just try it on, see how it looks. So yeah, this looks perfectly, I think. If you want to use, yeah, I really like this a lot. This one looks like, yeah, this one is made up of a really high quality material. So this is how it would look. So I already adjusted this in the longest setting. So I think this one looks perfectly fine. So if you want to use this strap, and also you can use it in your shoulder as well. So I am 5'7", and I think this one sets perfectly just right at my hip. It's gorgeous, just like this. So I intended to purchase this to dress up my black pillow tabby. So maybe I could try this with some of the colors. I'm just curious. So I have here, this one is the tabby. I'm not sure if this would work though, because this one has its own strap, but I just really wanted to see out of curiosity. So yeah, I don't think it would work. I don't think, because it's a different color. So anyway, so this is the first strap that I use for my tabby pillow purse. So moving on to the next strap that I will be using for my tabby as well. So I got this 3 lovely chunky chain. I got this off Amazon, and I was totally surprised that this one has such a good weight. It's not too heavy at all. And I was really thinking that this is going to be so heavy, but it has weight, but not too heavy. So I love this chain, guys. I got this a few months ago and I love it. So this is these are the chains that I used for my previous tabby. So this one is the light gold. This one is, oh no, this one is the shiny gold, light gold, and this is the brass. So all of these 3 has different, yeah, they're all like the same, but this one is more shiny, a little shinier, and this one has no sheen at all. So this more likely has a brass look to it, which actually complements perfectly with the tabby, because the tabby hardware is not shiny at all. So as you guys can see right here, this is the tabby taffy color. So look at the hardware right there. So the hardware seems to, it's a little bit close to what I have right now. It's almost like the same color. So this would work perfectly. So you could dress up your bag like this by itself. So let me just try to put this one right there and just use this by itself. So let's see. Yeah, this actually reminds me of a Bottega Veneta vibe though. Yeah, it actually reminds me. So this is actually, yeah, this is the perfect chain among those chains that I showed you guys. Absolutely pretty. And yeah, now, well, yeah, this one, the chunky strap actually is a game changer, guys. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, this one, it's, yeah, this is the brass. It complements perfectly with the hardware itself. Look at that. It is gorgeous. Oh, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my shoulder. It looks perfectly right on my shoulder. On the other side as well. It looks great. You could just use it. I mean, I love the weight of this chain. It's just like, it's just a perfect weight, guys. It's not too heavy. It is not too light as well, you know. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. So yeah, and you could just actually, you could just use it as a clutch like this, running errands. It is so cute. And you could also use the top handle as well. But then again, I love to wear it just like this by itself. So next item. So I'm just going to try all of those chunky strap that I have here. Okay, so I'm gonna, this one is brass, and I'm gonna put the rest of the purses. Okay, moving on, I have here, this is the black tabby, and this one is the shiny hardware. This is very shiny, as you guys could see the difference right there on the corner. So that is the original hardware, which is brass hardware. It's in a matte finish. This one is really shiny gold, and it's gorgeous. It looks absolutely gorgeous, just like that. It is beautiful. So this is the shiny gold hardware. So let me just try it on. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I just love it. Yeah, this chain is actually perfect for the tabby, guys. Perfect. So I'm gonna give you a much closer look of this. You could just carry it like this as well. Perfect. So moving on to the next tabby, I have here, this is my very first one. This is in the light gold. So you guys can see the difference right there. Absolutely gorgeous. Regardless if it is like a light gold, shiny gold, whatever, this one complements perfectly with the purse itself. Absolutely gorgeous. It's just, wow. Beautiful. I would highly recommend this chain, guys. If you are looking for a chain, a chunky chain that would dress up your purse, I have the link down below. I got it on Amazon, and it's a very affordable price. Gorgeous. I think this one is actually made up of a really it's a good quality, I must say. I have this for more than a month, and I didn't see any sort of issues with this one yet. But of course, this one is, I believe this one is less than $20. So don't expect that it's going to last a lifetime. Okay, especially, of course, there's going to be a wear and tear, but I am actually showing you guys how to dress up this Tabby pillow 26. So this is my very first Tabby. It is beautiful, it is pretty. So this one is in the light gold. We have the black one right here on a shiny gold. So let me just try to put this on my shoulder right here. And then this is my other, and then my taffy, of course, definitely, let's not forget. And this is the brass hardware that actually, the color is so close to the original hardware, so just take a look at like that. It's just almost like the same. Oh, I must say it is the same, guys. So this is perfect if you're looking for something, a perfect color for that would match the hardware pair perfectly. Oh my gosh, I can't speak, I'm sorry. If you're looking for some hardware that would match perfectly, this is the perfect chain to go, and absolutely gorgeous. It is lightweight, and wow, it complements perfectly with the pillow, guys. Oh my goodness, beautiful. I love it. So I just showed you the difference of all of these chains. So you have an option. If you wanted to just get one, go ahead. But I decided to get 3 of this chain because they're all gorgeous, regardless if it is shiny or it's light gold or shiny gold, whatever. This one works perfectly with your Tabby. Look how gorgeous that is. I can't even choose which one among these straps right here. What do you guys think? Oh my goodness. So this Tabby pillow 26, this is $495 US, and this one is less than $20, and you have a beautiful, beautiful, trendy bag. Isn't that great? Plus also it came in with this top handle if you're tired of let me just try to put this one. Yeah, I think this one would look great as well if you would just wanted. Yeah, oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. It's, oh yeah, it looks, hold on, let me just put this on the other side because I'm much more comfortable on this side. So look at that. It just hangs perfectly right there. See that? See that? It just hangs perfectly. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. I would highly recommend this, guys. It is awesome. Oh my goodness. You don't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars to be able to get this new trend look of this pillow purse. You know, this is an it bag from Coach. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. I am totally blown away of how beautiful this is. I can't get over it. Yeah. Yeah. This is the perfect chain. And if you want to use the crossbody, you could do that as well. But I think it's a little bit too much. Maybe the crossbody hanging on your shoulder. Let me try to get that as well. Let me just get my strap. I have already attached the long strap for a crossbody. So yeah, I think it looks fine if you would just use this all together. And I am, look at that, the side right here. It actually, all of those straps fits perfectly on right here on the ring on the side, and there's a lot more room left. So Let's try with the crossbody. Just like this. I might want to try to hide this strap at the bottom, because you could actually do that. So you could just slide it on the side. So let's see. Okay, so I put this one on the side, and wow, gorgeous. I just love this chain, guys. Just like hanging like that. Open it, close it. Yeah, you have a ton of options on wearing this bag. And if you're already tired on your shoulder, you could use this strap right here, the top handle, just like this, hanging on the corner. Yeah, you need to arrange it, because right now it seems to look like, okay, so this is how it would look. And you could just carry it just like this as well. You could just carry it like this, like I showed it you earlier, that you could hide this right here at the bottom like that, and then just wear it like this. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, this is like a perfect combination. But usually when I wear this, I only use the strap, the chunky strap. But then again, you could actually combine all of them together. It's not heavy at all. Well, probably it depends on what you have inside of your purse, but definitely the chunky strap is the game changer. It's absolutely beautiful, it's gorgeous, and I will highly recommend it. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.